right, everybody. The fishing family's back on the water. And we out here fishing in the rain. It's raining. Okay, starting the video off, we lost the bucket. That's great. But you know, this is all for, I don't know.
Which bucket?
Which bucket I had? What bucket right here?
Look at this cloud.
I guess I'm gonna have to use 10% of my followers. I'll be right back. I was trying to rinse it out, but it's still in work.
Only crazy, psychotic people go fishing in this weather.
Hey, what happened?
It's a fault for what?
Oh, he said, oh my gosh, I cleaned the boat extra time so I could fix the helm. He ain't clean nothing. Helm guy, this is your fault. I blame helm guy. If you're watching this, not a fan. We don't like you. Take that, helm guy. No, I'm playing. Helm guy, you watch it. He's like, I ain't gonna fix your helm next time.
Equal out.
Clean my home with a napkin. Napkin's gonna warm me up. I'm not cold.
You trying to want you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Yeah,
Put your sleeves down. Why you got your sleeves up?
I didn't roll it up. It was the wind. Caught my hand. I ain't trying to look cool. When have I ever rolled my sleeves up?
Tony, those shorts look familiar?
These are your shorts.
Oh my god.
Stole your shorts. Didn't even, that look. Huh? I was trying to be funny. But obviously it didn't work. Huh? Hey, get Tyrone. Get Tyrone.
My name is Byron now.
Boy, you better give me. No!
Byron.
Byron!
No, Byron.
Got you.
I thought the rain gonna pass over, but
Doppler 6000.
Yeah, Doppler 6000. Whoever you are, we don't like you.
I thought it was gonna pass over, but it don't look like it's gonna do that pretty much.
Not a Doppler 6000 fan.
Back there don't look like it's gonna pass over.
Looks like it'll pass over in a couple minutes. I give it like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's gonna pass over. This just means that it's a good fishing day. Nice cast. Good cast of the day. What bait you using? Pretend like. Pretend like.
Huh? Listen to the weather.
Pretend like nothing.
I heard some rumble, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, I was snap. Oh, this is a bad idea.
It rained kind of harder.
You know, the rain got like a little stronger. Rain got.
This is a bad idea.
The video cuts off.
What happened to the fishing family?
What happened to the South Fork? I think that was the motor. I think that was like. That's crazy. Hey, I don't know if it's me, but why did cloud get bigger? I remember it was back there.
I thought I was gonna pass over, but
Hey,
I don't know.
who lied to us?
I think it was bad.
You know,
How many think it's a bad idea? How many guys think it's a bad idea?
everybody raise your hand if you think it's a bad idea. You know, this just means that the fish are gonna be biting better. You know, that's all it. Yeah.
Like, oh, it looks like Minecraft. Like, you know the fish?
Yeah.
How many guys think it's a bad idea?
I don't know. I mean, these guys look like they're going in, but I don't know why they're doing that. Like, that's crazy, cause like they don't know that these fish are gonna be start like biting in a minute.
A real fisherman, when they going?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So, can you pick up the motor? Can you pick up the hanger real quick so you go? This rain, some top quality, nice rain.
I just want to say something real quick. Did you know that about 50% of you guys are not subscribed to this channel?
What?
Look what we're going through.
For you.
Seriously.
For you.
You're not subscribed.
A video. What do you think we should do?
Like and subscribe, and obviously,
Subscribe, come on.
obviously you got to comment.
Maybe our last video.
Might be our last one, guys.
I think I'm gonna put to be continued. Hey, I can't see the rocks. No, I can't see the. I can't see back there where the land go. Huh? You know, it's gonna pass. It's gonna pass.
As soon as we get to the dock, it's gonna stop. Right? How many times? At least we know we're not by ourselves. No, we should try to get this one fish.
Yeah, look, there's somebody else out there. Look, that's a real fisherman. Yeah. Or that's a ghost. We gotta.
That's the corner wall.
That other guy.
Oh, no, he disappeared.
That has 800 horsepower.
Oh yeah, that other dude who ran before the storm could get him. He's probably gone. Probably dead.
All right, guys, we can go back.
Honestly, I feel like we can get a couple bites. You know.
I don't see anything happening, guys.
No, I think I saw. No, it's the rain. I think I saw the pole move. No, that's the rain. Nah, my bad. Ooh.
Caleb, stay asleep, okay?
I don't know, guys. I'm still kind of dry. You know, like I don't really think it's not really. It's not really raining that hard.
Alright, let's I think I might go back.
I think we're gonna have to. I think we should move spots. I think we should move spots. This spot probably not working. Maybe we should go like further down. Maybe the numbers. Maybe we just calculate it wrong. I don't know. You know, maybe I can't see the bottom. I don't know if that means something. My underwear is cold. I can't feel my butt cheeks. My butt cheeks are wet. My butt hairs are dripping. I need a wipe. I'm pooping.
Mommy, this is where the water is floating on the boat.
Look, real fisherman. Look, see? Yeah, you're not the only ones.
Slow down.
Yeah. It's yes they do. It's on the floor. Their fishing poles are on the floor.
Built in.
Yeah.
Look at that. Those are real fishermen. They all have raincoats.
Raincoats.
Yeah.
They match.
And they match.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at
We
that.
need to get with the program.
Wow.
Yeah, what the
They all got
heck?
raincoats.
We all need coats. We need, you know what this means?
Oh, look at that.
This is a,
raincoats.
you know what that is? This is a sign.
Fishing family
We need Fishing Family Raincoats. 1,000 subscribers.
Oh, Fishing Family Raincoats.
Fishing Family Raincoats.
That's what we're gonna get.
Get us to 1,000 subscribers. We're making Fishing Family Raincoats. Now,
Fishing Family Raincoats.
I can't guarantee that, nor do I know anybody who makes raincoats. But I'll figure it out. If any of you guys make,
sit down.
if
Nash, Troy, right over so Nash can get on too.
if any of you guys make raincoats, please like us. Update: the rain is slowing down. I can't. Oh no, we lied. We lied. That was a lie.
Thumbnail.
So wait. Thumbnail picture. Everywhere went.
Oh my god.
Thumbnail picture.
Y'all went.
Alright, let's go. This is getting dangerous. I just heard thunder.
Oh, there's time to go.
Let's go.
Everybody do it. All right.
They do it.
Over here, like trying to do other stuff.
You got something?
Fish, Troy. Can't do it 10 things at one time.
You got something or no? What happened, Caleb?
He's like trying to fish, but he's trying to do like 10 other things.
Did you stick it? You stuff it. Oh my god. Look at that huge cloud behind you. That's huge.
Oh, am I taking advice to you?
Hi, it's Noah. Okay, so we were fishing, you know, trying to get some fish, but then, you know, the second round started. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, we could probably stay out a little bit longer. I'm just saying, you know, like.
Yeah, so we didn't catch nothing.
Couple bite.
We didn't catch nothing. So it's raining again. We're going back home. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We came out here in this rain to make a video for you guys. So
Please turn on post notifications. Make sure you watch all the videos. Give us a like. You know, tell us what you like about the videos. Tell us what we can do better. You know, tell us where you want to see us fish more, what you like seeing us do more. Honestly, I think we can keep fishing. You know, like the water it's not that bad. You know, so like it's like drip, like there's a little bit of like water, but it's okay. Like
it's raining. So
it's like drizzling. It's like
I'm wet.
Like my underwear is like soaked. I don't know if it's from pee over the water, but
we'll see you guys later. Peace out.
There's a manatee that popped up. Also, I'm fishing because there's fish underneath the dog.
Mommy, I saw it.
You saw it?